Hey, to pair your Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2 with any Android tablet, first you have to open the case, input both earbuds inside, then find this button, click and hold it, and wait until this indicator starts blinking white. There we go. Right now keep that case open. You have to go to the settings, open the Bluetooth settings, click on the switcher, and now just take a look for the nearby devices. Right now I will be really grateful for you if you leave the subscription to my channel, so you will help me to grow it. And now we just have to select the FreeBuds Pro 2 from the list and accept the pairing. Accept by tapping on OK. And also if you want to know how to link this earbuds with this Huawei AI Live application where you can unlock more features, I have a separate video and you can watch it on my channel. So right now please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye.